Let's make a decorative tassel for our backpack. The first thing that you want to do is to paint your letter, your initial that you want to add to your tassel. Pick your favorite color of paint. I'm using a gorgeous teal. Of course, I have my favorite paintbrush, and I'm going to be applying a layer to both the top and to the bottom. And you want to make sure that you get the sides and that you get all the little crevices, and you might even use a pair of tweezers to help hold the letter as you are painting it. When you are done, you're going to be placing it to the side to let it completely dry. So go ahead and do all of your letters right now. So then we'll go ahead and make our tassel. You could make a tassel out of cardboard, or you could use one like I did right here. That's already made. I've got some really cool tulle, and I'm wrapping that first because I really want it to be prominent in the back. And then I'm going to use these fibers. Oh, these fibers are so beautiful. They stretch. So you can really layer them on top of the tulle, and they're connecting naturally, which is kind of neat. And so you just wrap those around, and then you're also going to bring in whatever other fibers you want to use, yarns, ribbon. Here's some white yarn that I chose just to help make it all pop. And you're going to do multiple layers of this. The more fibers you add, the bigger your tassel is going to be. So you know my motto, go big or go home. And then once you're done with that, you're going to get a piece of yarn. You're going to tuck it underneath, and this is going to tie it all together. And so, yeah, there's just so much fun to be had with these. So we're cutting it off right now. We're cutting the bottom. We're just using a big pair of scissors, and as you can see, I'm being really careful to cut the bottom. And then we're going to have that piece of yarn that I was speaking to, and you're just going to come under all of the fibers there, and you're going to tie. You'll just make like a knot. One or two is fine. Just, you could see how you just really want it to be all nice and even. I just slid the Tassel Maker out. Ooh, look at it puff. That's cool. That's way cool. Okay. And so next what we're doing is we're actually adding that big old ring right there. That's a solid ring, by the way, and a clip. You know, it's a finding, and so whatever you have that you can attach to the zipper would be fine, but this is a solid ring along with a clip. And then I'm just giving it a really nice little knot there to make sure that it's secure. You could do a few more knots, the better. And then what's going to happen is we're going to give it a shape. So now I'm bringing in another piece of yarn, and I've come down about, I'm going to just call it like 1.5 inches, 2 inches. And then we're just tying that and putting like a bow. And you could just make knots, you know, whatever is most easy for you. And so this is just forming the tassel. Some people don't do this step. Some people do. I think it's just gives more personality. So next what we're going to do is we're bringing in my most favorite glue gun, the Liberty Essential Glue Gun by AdTech. Love the glue guns, love the company, and we're using flatbacks. These are plastic, they're not glass. And so I'm adding little dots of the hot glue, which, by the way, this glue gun is cordless, so it makes life so good. And we're just adding the rhinestones, putting a little bit on the wood. And then again, this is where tweezers that are angled might come into play if you felt like you needed some. And again, we're just using the glue gun and a little swirly there. Always makes it fun. And we're just going to continue to put the rhinestones on there. Again, I like a lot of bling. You could you could use 1, 2, whatever you want. It's your choice. And I'm using colors that I chose. So here is my finished initial. Again, I'm using my glue gun that's cordless. I love that feature. I also love the blue light because then I know that it is on. And I'm just going to place that down onto like that little head. It looks like a little head on the tassel. And then I'm going to bring in my other letter, A, which I already put my flatbacks on, and putting some more glue on there. You know, pretty generous lines. I mean, not like overkill, because the glue is like pretty strong. Like once it goes down, it is definitely connected. And so we have our personalization on our tassel. I love that. It's so much fun. You could just do, I mean, so many different variations, right? And what a great gift these tassels would make for any time of the year. And so here's my backpack. So now you can see why I chose the colors that I did. I attached it to one of the zippers and just, you know, flared it out a little bit, of course. And then, oh, here's another one that I made. This one is smaller. So this is a version of like a smaller tassel that you can make. You can make them in a variety of sizes, but look at how fun that is. Oh my gosh, it's so personalized. And, you know, all of my materials and my glue gun, love it.